Let us revise the previous class. In the last class we learned is set operations. First one is universal set. Second one complementary set. Complement of set. And then union of two sets. And fourth one intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. And then difference. Difference of two sets. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of sets. And final one, disjoint set. The first one, universal set means set of all the elements in a set considered under the universal set. It is denoted by U. It is denoted by U. And second one, complement of set. Complement of set means set of all the elements in a set A is in the universal set. Universal set that is not in A. That is not in A. That is called the complement of a set A. So complement of set A is a universal set that is not in a set A. And then union of two sets. Join all the elements in a set. That means all the elements in a set A is also an elements in a set B. Okay, that is called the union of set. It is denoted by A union B. And next one, intersection of two sets. It has a two sets A and B. So common elements to the both set A and B. This is called the intersection of set. Intersection of set. It is denoted by A intersection B. Let's read as A intersection B. And then difference of two sets. Fifth one is difference of two sets. All the elements in a set A only consider, not in B. That is denoted by A minus B. Okay. And then symmetric difference of a set. Symmetric difference of set, it is denoted by A. Symmetric difference B is equal to A minus, that means A difference B union B difference A. That is called the symmetric difference of set. And final one is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means two sets are not overlapping. Overlapping means two sets are overlapping. So not overlapping means two sets not touches. Overlapping. Okay, so disjoint set means not overlapping, so not touching together. Okay, that is called the disjoint set. I hope you are understanding the previous concept. Okay, now moving to the example 1.16. Represent A symmetric difference B through the Venn diagram. Okay, solution. So what is the formula for A symmetric difference of B? A symmetric difference of B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. Okay, first here draw the Venn diagram for A difference B. Okay, first draw the universal set. After draw the set A overlapping to the set B. Okay, so A B universal sets. Then A difference B. A difference B means all the elements should in A only, not in a B. So this place one. Okay, this Venn diagram for A difference B. And next to find out B difference A. B difference A. Draw two overlapping of the set A and B, universal set, and then B difference A means all the elements should in B only, not in a set A. So shaded this portion only. Okay, shaded this portion only. Okay, it's called the A B difference A. Now join all the elements of A difference B and B difference A. That is, we get the symmetric difference of two sets. Different symmetric difference of sets A, symmetric difference B is equal to A minus B. That is A difference B union B difference A. Okay, universal sets U, and then two overlapping of a set A and B. Okay, first in a first diagram this portion is fully shaded, so shaded the first one. Union means join all the elements in a set A difference B and B difference A. Okay, so first join the elements from A difference B, and then B difference A, it has the okay, so this is a Venn diagram for asymmetry B. I hope you all understand the Venn diagram for asymmetric B. Next to see the example 1.17. Okay, from the given Venn diagram write the elements of, so one of the Venn diagram is given. Okay, A contains the elements are A, I, U, E, O, and B contains the elements E, O, B, C, and universal set has D and G. This given diagram. Okay, solution. From the given Venn diagram, write the elements of first one A. Write the elements. What are the elements? Listing in a Rooster form. Okay, listing all the elements in a form of Rooster. So see the Venn diagram. What are the elements in a set A? So set A we have considered this one. Okay, so what are the elements in a set A, E, I, O, U? So the elements A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and then second one B. What are the elements in a set B? So we have considered the set B as this one. Okay, so E, O, B, C. So elements are B, C, E, O. Okay, right. And third one is A minus B, that is A difference B. What is mean by A difference B? First of all, write all the elements in a set A, E, I, O, U, and difference. Already you know that. It's also denoted by so difference. So difference of B is B, C, E, O. only presented in a set A, not in B. Okay, so which of the elements are common? First of all, cancel it. Okay, so E is common, O, that's all. So remaining, what are the elements in a set A only we have considered. Okay, so remaining elements in a set A is A, I, U. So A set difference, B is A, I, U. Okay, and next one, fourth, B difference A. So first write the set of all the elements in a set B, B, C, E, O minus, that is set difference, A is A, E, I, O, U. So which are the elements common here? O, E, that's it. So now write in a set of elements in a set B only. Okay, so B, C. And fifth one, A dash, A dash or A complement or A complement. How did you write in A complement? Universal set minus A, universal set difference A. What is the universal set here? First of all write it. Okay, one asking universal set. First of all write the universal set, set of all the elements in a sets. Okay, so which are the elements in a set A, B and remaining elements A, E, I, O, U, B, C, and then remaining out of the two sets is D and G also there. Okay, so all the elements consider under the universal set. Okay, so A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, G. Okay, now write it here. The universal set is A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D and G. Difference A values are the elements A, E, I, O, U. So all the elements only in universal set, not in A. So which are the elements common? A. So cancel it. E. Also cancel. I. O, U. So what is remaining in a set U, universal set? What are the elements? B, C, D, G. Okay, so A complement is set of all the elements B, C, D, G. Okay, and next sixth one, B dash, B complement. B dash means B complement. It can written as the universal set difference B. Okay, already you know that value of the universal set A, E, I, O, U and then B, C, D, G. Okay, and then B. What are the elements? E, O, B, C. Okay, so cancel the common elements from both sets E, O, B, C. So what is remain? A, I, U, D, G. Okay, so B dash. So seventh one, universal set. It has elements are A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, G. Okay, I hope you are understanding all the operations. Okay, now move to the example 1.18. So draw the Venn diagram and shade the region represent the following sets. Solution. First one, A dash. So how do you draw the Venn diagram for A dash? First draw the universal set. Universal set always draw in rectangular shape. Okay, and next it has only one set is given, so you have draw only one set as A. Okay, and then A dash, A complement means A complement can return as universal set difference of A, universal set difference of A. So set of all the elements only consider under the universal set, remaining A is not considered, not considered. So which are the places we have shaded? Except A, except A. So remaining parts will be shaded. Okay, so this portion is called a complement or A dash. It can return as universal set difference A. Okay, I hope you are understanding A dash. And second one, A minus B the whole complement. Here two sets are given. You should draw the overlapping of two sets, overlapping of the two sets A, B, and then first of all, first preference to A difference B. So first draw A difference B. Here at the universal set, A difference B means set of all the elements in contains only A. So this portion. Okay, B means it's fully contained in these portions. So except B, not included B, contains only all the elements in a set A only, A only. So this portion only shaded. Okay, here we needed A minus B the whole complement we needed. So it can return as universal set difference of A difference B, is it? A difference B. So here also draw the two sets A, B, universal set. Except this, இது தவிர ரிமைனிங் உள்ள ஃபுல் போர்ஷன் A மைனஸ் பினா இது ஃபுல்லும் ஓகேவா, இது தவிர இந்த போர்ஷனை தவிர, பிகாஸ் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங். ஓகே, ஸோ A difference be the whole complement except this portion. What are the remains? Carefully shaded the portions. Okay, so this is a difference be the whole complement. I hope you understand the concept clearly. Okay, now third one. A union B the whole complement. So first draw the A union B. A union B means join all the elements in a set A and B. Join all the elements in a set A and B. So A, B, universal set. Join all the elements. Shaded all the portion in a set A and B. We need here A union B the whole complement. It can return as the universal set difference A union B. Okay, so draw the universal set. After draw the two overlapping of a set A and B, and then not included the A union B, remaining part of the set. Remaining part of the set is this portion only have covered. Okay, so except the these two portions. That's mean A union B. Except A union B. What does remain? This portion. Okay, except this portion. So omit that portion. What is remain that? So these are all the A union B, the whole complement. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now exercise 1.3. Now see exercise 1.3. Now see the exercise 1.3. First one, using the given Venn diagram. So one of the given diagram given in your page number 18. Okay, using given Venn diagram, write the elements of first one is solution for first option 1 A. So listing out of all the elements. So what is the Venn diagram is given? What is given? Here draw the set A, B, 2, 10, 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11 and 1, 12 is there. So given Venn diagram is there. Okay, now listing all the elements in a set A. So A means we have considered the set this one. Okay, so what are the elements contained in set A? 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Is it? And next one, listing the elements in the set B. What are the elements contained? C, B. So it contains the elements 3, 4, 6. Write in a ascending order. Okay, and then third one of the option asking, so A union B. We can write easily. Is it? Because already we know all the elements in a set A and B. Okay, so write the elements in a set A is 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Okay, and next one B 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. Okay, so union means join all the elements in a set A and B. So join it 2, 3, 4, 2 times are repeated. So set is not allowed to repetition. So write one time. Okay. So 2, 3, 4 and remaining elements 6 is there, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I hope write all the elements. Is it from A and B? Sorry, A and B. 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's all. So A union B. And fourth one, A intersection B. A intersection B means common to the both set A and B. A and B. Okay. So common, which are the elements common in a set A and B? 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Intersection 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So which are the elements are common in sets? Rounding it. 4 and 7. Any other elements? No. So A intersection B is equal to 4 and 7. Okay. And next, fifth one, A difference B. A difference B means set of all the elements in only in a set A only. So A has elements 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Set difference B 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. So which are the elements commons? First of all, cancelling. Okay, so only consider the set A only. So which are the elements remains? 2, 8, 10 1. 2, 8, 10 only. And then sixth one, B difference A. So what are the elements in a set B? 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. Set difference, set of all the elements in a set A is 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Okay. So which are the terms are common? Which are the elements members? 4 will be cancelled and then 7, that's it. So what are the elements remains? 3, 6, 9, 11. Okay. So seventh option, subdivision 7, 8, 9 is homework. Okay. So now move to the second problem. Find A union B. To find A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A. Okay, these are all you have to find out. The first one, following sets, first subdivision, A is equal to set of all the elements 2, 6, 10, 14 and B is equal to set of all the elements 2, 5, 14, 16. 14, 16 is given. Okay. See, first one, first find out the A union B. A union B means join all the elements. Okay. So first write the elements in a set A union, write the elements in a set B 2, 5, 14 and 16. Okay. Now join all the elements 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 10, 14, 16. Okay. And next find out the value of A intersection B. A intersection B. So first write the elements in a set A 2, 6, 10, 14 and intersection. Directly write intersection. The set of elements in a set B 2, 5, 14, 16. Okay. So which are the elements are common in a set A and B? So this one 2, any other elements 14. Okay. So remaining are different. So which are the elements are common? The A intersection B is 2 and 14. Okay, 2 and 14. And next one A difference B. A difference B means 2, 6, 10, 14. Difference B 2, 5, 14, 16. So cancel the common elements on both sets. Okay, what is remain in a set A? 6 and 10. And then B difference A. So write the elements in a set B 2, 5, 14, 16. Difference. 2, 6, 10, 14. So common elements. So remaining elements in a set B are 5 and 16. Okay. Why do you use the symbols here slash, here minus symbol? Both are same. Okay. So we have understood the symbols. So use the various places of same meaning of symbols. Okay. Right. Second, fourth subdivision. Solution. A is equal to set of all the words mathematics M A T H E M A T I C S mathematics, and set B geometry G E O M E T R Y geometry. Okay, so here first find out A union B. So join all the elements. So M A T H E, M already written, A also written, T also written. After I, C and S, and then G. E already written, O also written, not written. O, and then M written, E written, T is also written or is not written, and Y is also not written. Okay. So A union B means join all the elements in a set A and B, and then A intersection B, second one. So which are the elements are common in a set A and B? So common elements will be cancelled. Surround it. Okay. So A, sorry, E, T, M. Any other answer? No. So A intersection B is E M T. Okay. And then third one, A difference B. What are the elements in a set A and B? Difference. So common elements will be cancelled. Okay. E cancel, and M, and then any others? It's not there. So what are the remaining? A, T will be cancelled. Okay, A, then H, and next one, A is not there. A, H, and what are the remaining? I, C, yes. I, C, yes. So A difference B, and next one B minus, B difference A, B difference A. So what is remaining in here? G O R Y. That is the remaining part in B. Okay, G O R Y. Is it? Set B. Which are the elements are not cancelling? G O R Y. That is a B difference A. B difference A. Okay, next third problem. Second and third problem in a second subdivisions. Homework. Third problem. If U is equal to universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and a set A is equal to set of all the elements B, D, F, H, and B is equal to set of all the elements A, D, E, H. Find the following sets. First one, A dash. A dash, A complement means universal set difference minus A. Universal set difference A. So universal set difference A What are the elements? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Set difference A, B, D, F, H. So only all the elements exist only in a set universal. Okay. So which are the elements are common? B, that cancel. D, F, H. So what is remaining in a set universal? A, C, E, G. Okay, that is A dash or A complement. And second one, B dash. So universal set difference is B. So universal set difference A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference of A, D, E, H. So common will be cancelled. So remaining B, C, F, G. B dash. Okay. And remaining third one, A dash union B dash, you can easy to write. Join all the elements in a set A dash and B dash, and also A dash intersection B dash also homework. So third subdivision, fourth subdivision, okay, and then fifth, sixth also homework. Okay, now do the seventh problem. Seventh subdivision. Okay, seventh subdivision is given A dash A complement, the whole complement is given. So what is mean by A complement, the whole complement? Universal set difference of A, the whole complement. Okay, so universal set difference, already find out the A dash values. What we find out? A, C, E, G. Okay, so A dash value. Here you want to find out A dash, the whole complement. So universal set difference of A dash. Here write U. Universal set had it. The elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And so difference A dash values. A dash values are A, C, E, G. Okay. Which are the elements common? A. There will be cancel. C also cancel. E, G. So what are the remaining? B, D, F, H. B, D, F, H. What is B, D, F, H? The set of all the elements in a set A. So A complement of complement, we have considered the elements in a set A. Okay. A is equal to A complement, the whole complement is equal to B, D, F, H. Okay. The next one, eighth subdivision, B dash the whole complement. B complement, the whole complement is find out. Okay. So universal set difference of B, the whole complement. So already find out the B complement value. What we find out? B complement is equal to B, C, F, G. Okay. So B complement, the whole complement is equal to U, universal set difference of B complement. So B universal set values A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The set difference of what are the elements in the set B dash? B dash contains B, C, F, G. Okay. So common elements will be cancelled in both sets. F, G. So what are the remains? A, D, E, H. So these elements are in a set B, is it? A, D, E, H. So is equivalent to A, it's equivalent to the set of B. Okay. So remaining problems, do the homework. And next one, fourth one. Let U is equal to some elements are given and okay. I hope you all do the easiest one. So fourth one fully homework. Fourth one full and full homework. And fifth problem. Find the symmetric difference between the following sets. So first one, P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. And Q is equal to 1, 3, 5, 11. So what is the formula for symmetric difference between P and Q? So P, symmetric difference of Q is equal to P difference Q union Q difference P. Okay. So first find out the P difference Q. What are the elements in a set P? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Difference Q. 1, 3, 5, 11. So all the elements exist only in a set P only. So remaining elements will be cancelled. 5. So what are the elements in a set P? 2, 7. And next find out Q difference P. So elements in a set Q had 1, 3, 5, 11. Set difference P had elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So which are the elements are common? 3, 5, 11. So remaining in a set Q have 1. Now P symmetric difference of Q is equal to P difference Q union Q difference P. So what are the elements in a P difference Q had? 2, 7 union 1. So symmetric difference of P and Q are the elements 1, 2, 7. That's it. Okay. Fifth, remaining second and third problem is a homeworks, and sixth one, using the set symbols, write down the expression for the shaded region in the following. Okay. So first shaded diagram is only shaded in this spot only. So X, Y, U. Already you know that except the set X. So only one or including all the elements in a set Y. So Y minus X. Okay. And then second one, XY universal set you know well the overlapping of a set X and Y is not shaded. So that's mean X union Y is not shaded. So X union Y not shaded means in all the elements in universal set U. Okay. So X union Y the whole complement. Okay. And then third one, these two parts only shaded, X, Y and universal set. Already you know well this shaded portion is denoted by x difference y, is it? In this portion y difference x. So you can express this Venn diagram as follow by a symmetric difference of x and y, is it? A symmetric difference of x and y is equal to x difference y union y difference x. That's all. Okay. And seventh one. Let A and B be two overlapping sets and universal set be U. Draw the appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. So first two at homework. Third, see the third subdivision. Seventh, third subdivision. A intersection B the whole complement. Okay. So first draw the A intersection B. First should draw the universal set U. After draw the two sets in overlapping as denoted as set A and B. So intersection means it has common in both set A and B. So it's a common one. Okay. So it's A intersection B. We need here A intersection B the whole complement. How do you draw? A, B, U. So A intersection B the whole complement means all the elements exist only in universal set, not in a set A intersection B. That is the meaning, is it? So except this portion, So what are the remaining portions? Shaded, without shaded portions. Okay, remaining portions will be shaded. Okay. Do you understand? Except the intersection portion. So remaining part in all universal sets. Okay, that is A intersection B complement. And fourth one, B difference A the whole complement. So it's also easiest one, is it? First draw the diagram of overlapping of A and B. First draw B difference A. So B difference A means this one, is it? This portion is called the B difference A. Already you know well. Okay. Here we needed the B difference A, the whole complement we have needed. Okay. So draw the universal set B difference A the whole complement. Means universal set difference of B minus A. Except this portion. So what else remains? That is B difference A whole complement. Okay. And next fifth problem. A does union B does. A does union B does. A complement and B complement. First draw A complement. How do you draw? In the overlapping of two sets A, B. Okay. So inverse set U difference of A except A. Except A. So it contains fully we have considered the elements of A. So except A. Okay, A dash, and next one B dash. B dash. U universal set difference of B. So except B, except B. Except B. Here we want to find out the A complement union B. A complement union. Join the elements in a set A dash and B dash. So just added in this place, not added, not shaded, but here shaded. So should is shaded in these places. Okay, and here shaded, here not shaded. So in this place shaded. So you also shaded in this place also. So both set A, B, universal set. In this place only not shaded in as A dash and B dash. So A dash union B dash, we get the same one, is it? So fourth one. So third one of that, what we get in the third one? What is the third one? A intersection B the whole dash. We get finally A, B and U. Is it? A intersection B the whole complement. We get this Venn diagram. Is it? In a third subdivision. Here also we get the same one. So, seventh question asking, what do you observe from the Venn diagram third and fifth? Third and fifth. So both are equal. So from seventh one answer. Okay, from the Venn diagram third and fifth, we get what we get? A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Okay, I hope you all understand. So I will write the homework in the side. First, 7th to 9th problem. Second one, third, to 6th, and fourth one, full homework. Fifth one, second and third homework. Seventh, one, two homework. Okay, I hope you all understand. Complete all the homeworks and send to me. Thank you, students.